So I was sitting down in the shop, had to take a break for a bit and think about what I was going to say. The same exact nicotine patches are found on Amazon for $19.99 for 14 in a pack. So 2 weeks worth, because one patch works for 24 hours. Just so you're not aware, last Saturday I went to the hospital. Drove up to the tribal EMS, and they took me from there. What happened was last Friday night, I took off a nicotine patch before shower thinking I'm going to be tough. Well, sometimes you need to read all the instructions, the fine print. So anyways, save yourself money if you find out what your doctor will prescribe you, if it's Nicoderm CQ, this one, that one, so on and so forth. Well, I am changing brands, so I'm not sure how it's going to affect me. I don't think it will. But if they prescribe me that, it kind of tells me that it's basically going to be from 21 for the next month. They owe us another 21, I think, or something like that. So that way we have, I think it's 28. Because it's about how much you smoked, and cigars are just pure nicotine. And I didn't smoke cigarettes. I didn't smoke vapes. Vapes is not a safe alternative because you're putting crap back down in your lungs, and it can be causing all kinds of problems. I tried ordering a breathe free MD or something other where it's a neck chain. It might work for other people, but I know where it came from and I don't trust it. $60 out the door. Not worth it. Not worth it whatsoever. Because it took almost a week and a half to 2 weeks later, coming from China. They said this guy had created this concept. He was out of Oregon for their company. Well, come to find out, that company is based out of somewhere in Asia. I don't know what country exactly. But I didn't trust it. I threw it away. So it's something where you breathe and it has mint only. But if it took that long to get here and not within 2 to 3 days, then forget it. It's false advertising. I could probably find a video, download it, and all that stuff, but then that's a copyright, and I don't want to do that. So, anyways, do your research. The bottom line for nicotine patches is being able to differentiate which ones you are going to try from the doctor's orders. Get theirs, but make sure it's reasonable, because most insurance carriers will not cover that. Some will, some won't. The biggest thing is just, if you could find out the name of it beforehand, go to Amazon, go to Walmart.com, and look to see if you can find it cheaper and for how much and so on and so forth. So that way you're saving yourself money, hassle, and headache than you having to run to the pharmacy. But nowadays, pharmacies come to you. Kind of cool. So anyways, I thought I'd just put that out there. I'll show you some of the stuff I found online for, like Amazon. The price was $20 for 14. Or I might not. That way I don't convolute this video. I'd rather just speak. Another thing is that habit. to break that habit, cinnamon sticks. Believe it or not, cinnamon sticks help because you can chew them, but you're also doing this. So after breakfast, having that cup of coffee, after dinner, after having sex, whatever it might be, when you want that cigarette or cigar or vape, it might be best to just grab that cinnamon stick or grab a rock and rub that rock. So it's moving this hand. I'm past that crave. Now it's detoxing out of my system. And that's what sent my blood pressure over this last Saturday. Anyways, God bless. Take care.